This is the Mille. It's a beautiful, very hardened, very ruggedized smartwatch with lots of different features on it. All kinds of controls here. Brightness extends over a very broad range. Do not disturb. Low power mode. You've got a built-in flashlight if you need it anytime. And overall settings with display control, vibration, phone calling, Bluetooth phone calling, and super waterproof. That's your speaker I'm pointing at right there. A very loud speaker as well. System about information is in this one. Come this way, you've got heart rate, and it's broken down with a chart over the day, 24-hour period, and shows you where you are right now. You got blood pressure doing a similar kind of thing, the last 7 readings, systolic, diastolic, your highs, your lows, all there. Blood oxygen that when you activate it does use the red diode technology, minimum, maximum, last 7 readings. Stress level, and this is fun. You get a stress chart throughout the whole day, your high and your low, your maximum, your medium, and your normal and relaxed modes, and what percentage of the time throughout the day you're spending in those zones. That could tell you something and give you motivation to change your lifestyle. Last night's sleep time, complete with the chart, your awake, REM, light, and restful time, and a synopsis of how well you slept last night. You got weather in whatever city you put. Centigrade or Fahrenheit is available to you, along with forecasts. And did you see this? Sunrise, sunset time at that location? This is a smartwatch. Almost a genius. Here's a calculator. That makes it a genius. And this is one of these cards you can put in here anytime you want to. And it's a decent calculator too. You can add your activities, step count, calories burned, distance traveled. All of that's there. And of course, including your chart by the hour for your day. Your last 7-day records. Wow. Wow. Games? Sure. You got 3 of them at least. 2048. You got floppy. You got hamster. You can play those. You got a music player that can play music from your phone through your watch if you want to. You can listen to it directly on your watch, good and loud. Underwater, I presume, if you want to, and you're within Bluetooth range. And if that's not enough, you can add more and more and more stuff here as you cycle around. Really, really great. Going this way now, you get your most recently used apps in icon form, or you can tap here and get all of your apps in linear form, or you can change the layout any way you like, and there's about 7 or 8 different bubble and scrolling and half moon and all kinds of ways you can portray these things. And swiping up will be notifications sent to you from your phone if you have any. If you'd like to change your watch face, it's as simple as twirling the dial to pick whatever one you want. It's super ruggedized, really beefy smartwatch, 2-pin connector charging, integrated band. Look at that, screwed solid in it. It's not coming off. Really long arms on these bands that'll fit just about anybody, and holes are evenly spaced and close so you can tighten it up just the way you need it. It is the Mille. Check it out.